Okay. Little shot of Zeus here with his new favorite toy. It's not even real. It's a cat toy. An infrared light. We're able to do this again because he's at the end of his not supposed to running around time, his penned up energy from having his nard snipped. But here it is, an infrared cat toy, being one of the greatest Zeus toys ever. Oh my gosh. Okay, we wanted to give everybody a little laugh for the day. Zeus and his infrared cat toy. The dot. He just can't seem to catch it. He's trying hard though. Okay. Hope you got a laugh too. Was that fun, Zeus? Zeus, was that fun? Zeus, it's not down there anymore. And you're never gonna catch it. Zeus. Good boy. Good boy. Ciao.